The best way to get rid of the bad smell from AC vent is this, Lysol. I tried this method for the first time and the bad smell was gone forever. Let me show you how to do this method. These are the air intakes and we have to spray Lysol inside those grill. But first, close all the vents, turn on the AC, temperature low down, and fan speed will be full. Now spray Lysol inside the air intake grills. Spray well so that the Lysol penetrates inside the grill. Then turn off the car and leave it for an hour. If possible, leave it overnight. And then before using the car, turn on the AC, open the windows and leave it for 5 minutes. And then sit in your car and enjoy the smell-less, peaceful driving. If you like this video, so please like and subscribe.